Whoa!
Crafting time. So
Okay, it looks like glasses.
Wow,
Perhaps.
that was easy.
That's all you need.
Yeah,
Just need a cool
just
machine.
a special machine to
Yeah.
making glass.
Just a couple $1,000 for that
Yeah.
machine.
And here we go.
Then you don't need to go to Kmart and get your own €5, $5 glasses.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. But the thing is, you'll have always the same shape, I guess. But
I don't know. I think you could probably adjust it. They have a little polishing tool there.
yeah, sure.
But it's totally worth it. It's totally worth it to buy all of... Wow, look at how huge that machine is.
Just imagine.
Worth it!
Yeah, to have it in your garage.
Look, I have my own glasses, honey. Honey, where are our life savings? Honey?
We have a
Glasses,
business.
honey!
We have a business? No, we have it for our own use.
It's just our own
Yeah.
glasses.
Wow,
What is this?
it's to make them smooth or something.
Really?
It's like when the stone in a river running there and getting smoother and
I guess so,
everything.
yeah.
The same idea here.
In a huge tumbler. Wow.
Oh
Ooh.
no!
It's adding the little joint, the metal joint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's too professional. I mean,
It's very professional. I feel like...
yeah.
Is this
Is it the
Gucci?
5 Minute Crafts?
Yeah.
I mean,
This can't be 5 Minute Crafts. It's far too professional.
no, we're not talking about this. But I mean, the tools and everything. Wow. Uh-huh.
Okay.
What is this for?
I don't know. Oh, it's to put inside... They put like a piece of metal inside the plastic.
Wow.
For the...
That was quick. Yeah, I see. Nice. I mean, but
What are those even called? I want to call them the legs, but they're obviously not legs.
but
The hangers. The
hangers.
ear hangers.
worse.
Ultrasonic cleaning. Okay, I need some of that. I need a good ultrasonic cleaning. Now what are we doing? Stamps? Made in
marking.
America. Wow.
Ooh, wow.
Fancy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's
And that's how they do the actual lens.
Oh, they
It's cool.
get in shape.
They get in shape that way. Pretty
Really?
fancy glasses. Not too shabby. I give those a grandma out of 10. Or a librarian out of 10.
I guess. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Should I rate it?
Yeah.
Okay, then 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. There you go. For librarians, it's 12 out of 10.
But actually, I like the style.
Yeah, the style looks pretty sleek. It looks pretty cool.
If it would be another shape.
Oh no! Not the glasses!
Oh, there you
My
are.
friend ran over my glasses! They were made by 5 Minute Crafts. You know how expensive those are. Come on.
So, and they gonna fix them, right?
Now they're gonna make some John Lennon glasses.
John Lennon glasses.
Yeah. Imagine all the people with my glasses.
Okay. Some restoration.
Yeah. Toothpaste fixes broken glass? Really?
Polish it.
I highly doubt that.
I think it kind of work. I mean, you can polish it.
Yeah,
I mean, to use with something, with soda or something.
Yeah.
Like, did they put it?
no,
I missed.
they just put toothpaste.
Okay.
Okay, what are we doing here? Ooh, scraping off little pieces of metal.
I like this tool, which was created this,
Divot.
gap there.
Yeah, it's nice. So you can perfectly fit the lens inside. Nice.
I thought you just
Ooh,
cut it off.
I feel uncomfortable with his fingers so close to it. Like,
Seriously?
yeah, it's
You mean you don't like all this?
it's
I
too
don't
close, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe if you were wearing gloves or something like that, I would feel safer.
Gotcha. I thought you were about noise and which produces.
No, it's about the thought of him accidentally losing his finger.
I didn't thought about it.
What is this? No, there's like a.
It's
Oh, is it a monocle? Is it like one thing that you lift up to your eye?
That would be
Pretty dapper.
dapper.
Cool.
Yeah. But
Sophisticated.
no, it's just a frame. I mean,
Uh-oh.
was it Bitcoin?
That's not worth it.
Was
This is a really expensive pair of glasses.
yeah.
I want you
By
to
the
take
way,
this Bitcoin and turn it into no value. And I don't want it to be worth anything after you're done with it.
Not at all, but is there really, we're talking about Bitcoin, does they have something physically, you know?
Yeah, they
you
have
can
physical
touch it?
Bitcoins, yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, there were like a couple produced. They're the same. They contain like the code for an actual Bitcoin, a digital Bitcoin.
There is some...
So they're worth the same.
Uh-huh. Wow, I didn't know it.
Yeah. They're more rare actually than obviously the ones that you can buy digitally, but they're worth the same regardless. Someone tried to go into a pawn shop with one and sell it for more than it was worth.
Yeah?
And they were like, nah, man.
Nah, it doesn't work.
Nah, man. It doesn't work like that. It's like if you went in with like a special dollar or something and tried to get more than $1, they'd be like, no, dude, it's $1.
It's $1.
You're gonna get $1 for it.
But actually, for some of them, it works. If it's,
if it's very collectible and stuff like that, yeah.
$2 bill.
Yeah. Maybe to the right person, you know?
Yeah.
Those are nice ear hangers.
Yeah. Actually, we forgot about the...
Yeah. Sorry, I totally forgot the John Lennon glasses were happening.
Uh-huh.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, that's neat. That is neat.
That's sick.
Pretty
Look at
fancy.
this, dude.
What a fancy dude.
Wow. Awesome.
He looks like he's exiting the Matrix.
He looks like...
Yeah, he's about to beat up the Terminator.
True.
Very good. I rate these like 9. Maybe a 9.5.
For me, 8.
Yeah?
8, yeah.
Okay.
8 out of 10, which is good.
Oh, no!
Oh.
Wow, my trucks fell perfectly off my skateboard. What to do?
We need to disassemble it.
Disassemble it. That's a cool way of taking off your grip tape. I've never seen that before.
Yeah. It's actually... Hello.
Looks pretty good, yeah. And then buff off the bottom paint. Now you can make your own custom skateboard from scratch, essentially.
If you don't wanna... If you will not cut it off.
Yeah. Now you can make your own... I don't know.
Own piece of wood.
Piece of wood. Multiple.
Yeah.
And then you can stack them on top of each other.
So...
Okay, I'm interested where this is going now. Are we gonna make... What are we making here?
Making...
Glasses!
Oh, glasses.
Skateboard glasses.
Nice.
I'm done with skateboarding. It's not cool anymore. I'm gonna read books and be smart.
But... Dang.
Yeah.
That's... Kinda nice background.
It does look pretty cool, yeah. Not too bad.
Bad, okay, but we'll see the final result. Maybe they look poor.
I don't know. How are they gonna see anything through those? There's a bunch of wood in front of your eyes.
You just... yeah!
Okay, they're getting the Dremel. They're clearing out the middle wood.
See? They solved this problem.
Ah, okay. I thought... I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know nothing about the glasses.
How am I supposed to see you like this? I can't. I guess we have to make holes in front of my hands. In the middle of my hands. To make hand glasses.
Yeah. This reminds me some pictures, you know, when they draw some glasses here and like so.
That's a cool tat idea.
They destroyed
one pair of glasses for a new pair of glasses.
Okay, recycling
or kind of dismantling and reusing. These look cool so far. I really like the pressed together wood.
I'm just wondering how they put the glasses itself, you know, into the frame. Because before that it was a plastic and you can...
Yeah. I mean, you can shove glasses in there usually. I don't know. Like, shove them in... yeah, see, they just clip in kind of from the back.
Okay.
See that?
Looks nice.
They look pretty cool. Like, just for creativity and stuff, I give that 8.5.
9.
9?
For creativity.
For creativity.
And for some bunch of work which they did.
And a lot of work.
Yeah.
And wow, so cool.
Wow, dude.
That dude's sick. Nice.
Nice.
Hey, oh, she just waved at me. I didn't know you were cool like that. Nice.
Okay, good.
Okay, they're milking these glasses.
Yeah, they're milking it on.
Give us more!
More reactions!
More! No! Glasses, I need to see!